Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, transfer market is over, done, dusted. No time to get into real football and stop talking about who you can get from who you can't get. But Manchester United have Liverpool this weekend. Liverpool this weekend. And the last time we had a decent performance against Liverpool was like 9 years ago with Louis Van Gaal, fam. When you have one field, when one matter nasty up Anfield. That was the last time we had a decent performance against Liverpool. PP, if you're brand new, make sure to drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there. We're still on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We're working on it, so please drop a like on the video. It's been a minute since I made a video, but I'm still out here hustling and bustling. Again, make sure to drop a like on the video. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. All right, listen. We are going to talk about the Liverpool and Manchester United game. And what I would like to focus on is the teams that's going to go on the field in this game. Now, as I said, the transfer market is over, completely over, and Liverpool didn't do shit this transfer market. They barely got one good player, or semi-good player in the transfer market. They bought Mama's failure, Mama that's failure, whatever his name is, and they send him back out on loan. And then the last few days of the transfer market, they went and got Kesa, someone who even just didn't want. They struggled to get him out the team, and then boom, them come up with 12 million and buy him. I don't rate Kesa one bit. After the injury, he just fell down a cliff. Tried if he even just tried it for Italy, it's not working for him. I don't think he'll make any impact on that team other than just a player that they need to improve the team. But they're not going to improve the team at all. I think Liverpool's squad that they have right now and that they had from last year is the same old, same old. I don't think Liverpool improved the team one bit. I don't think, but Liverpool team is still good. Don't get me wrong. With a new coach, new ideas, they might be different, they might be better, or they might be worse. Who knows? They didn't do. People talking about Liverpool this and Liverpool that. They didn't play well in the last game. I didn't play well in the first half in the first game either. So to be quite honest with you, I don't think Liverpool is the Liverpool of old with a new coach, new ideas. But we'll see throughout the season. But I don't think Liverpool will do well this season. Mark me down. Mark down my words. I don't think they'll do well this season. They're still good. Salah will still have the odd goal and assist, yes. But who knows? Who the hell knows? Manchester United came out the transfer market as maybe second or third best in the transfer market this season. They pulled off with Lenny Euro, who got injured in like the second game of the preseason. He's out for like 3 months. Well, I think that's a very good buy. Prospect for the future, very good. I can't remember that cross he passed from the right side to the left side. He picked it across. Oh, so beautiful. Lenny Rowe might be. He's gonna be definite for the future. After that, they got Joshua Zersky, and as I think a young player here in Italy last year, and I think he's the type of player that we're missing in terms of he's not a striker, he's not a number 10, but as he said in his interview, he's like a 9.5, one that comes in and connect with the forward line, push forward, make a pass, one or two passes, create goals, and assist as well. So I think he was a missing link in terms of Rasmus Holland being the number 9 and him being just a pinpoint between number 9 and the number 10. So can't wait to see him and Rasmus play together in the latter part of the game. You have 20 minutes left. Bring him on, him and Rasmus combining, see what's going on in the team. Who knows? After that, you have Mazwari. Now Mazwari came from Bayern Munich, and I think he's probably the best signing we're going to have this show, and you'll see he's going to be the best signing we make this summer. And here's what I think: he is a starter at Bayern Munich. But you man know how Bayern Munich and Israel and all them foolishness go on because Mazuari stood up and speak about the injustice that's going on in Israel and Palestine, and because that Bayern Munich drop him down completely. Drop him completely drop him. And it's sad because Mazuari is a very good player. So when Manchester United came and called for him, he said yes, fam. And I like that because he's a very good player. Very, very good player. After that, you have Delete. No, I wanted Delete since he first went and got to Juventus. Didn't want him when he went and got to Bayern Munich, but they did pay 75 million for Delete. That's a lot of money for a defender. That means he must be doing something well. And I don't know what caused the issues with Bayern Munich. I think it probably because Bayern Munich just see switches every year. It switch coaches, switch coaches. Just I think they just had enough. But now he's back. He's at Manchester United, and I think it's going to be a rare breath of fresh air for Manchester United in that defense. A rare fresh air. And then lastly, the last key we need